Okay, welcome back to another fishing episode. Today I'm right here in this beautiful place, the Patuxent River right there. Today it's not very windy like it has been in a couple days. So today the plan is to trying to catch some white perch, and I hope we can get some. And I don't know. Someone told me that on this spot right here he caught two stripers. I mean, they were probably 23, 24 inches, but as you know, you can fish for stripers, but we can catch some catch and release today, so we'll see what happens. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use today, grass shrimp. And I'm gonna use a bobber, see if we can find some fish. If I can find them on top of the water, I'm probably gonna go on the bottom. Let's try this bobber first. And probably 2 feet long bobber, small hook. Let's make the first cast. And now it's just a waiting game. Dang, we got it. We got a first fish right here. It's what we came here for. That's white perch. It's a little small, but yeah, that's small perch. So we're gonna take some today. So we're gonna keep this one. Okay. We got a fish. What we got here? Go big. Get over here. Oh no. Oh wow. Well. It was a small striper. Let's go. Oh man. That's a pretty striper. Okay, let me get you some. I'll get you free, buddy, in just a minute. Alright. Come on, stop. Take a picture of this guy. Okay. Whoa, sorry. Okay. Seems like one of those hybrid stripers. I don't think it's a hybrid. Okay. With this beauty in the water. Back to my body. Thank you. Alright. Wait, we got another one. This one's a little bit bigger. Come on. Don't break off. What we got here? No way. That's a fucking big striper. No. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh man, this one is a lot bigger than before. Okay, let's take a measurement real quick. We're gonna take measure somewhere over here. No, we're gonna take measure. So I decided to make a move where I was before. Early in the morning, I didn't catch one small perch, one white perch, and I just got here. And I was casting swim baits, and I caught my first striper in the second cast. Third cast, we got this beauty right here, another striper. But he's 14 inch, he's a little small. But fish is a fish. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Okay. Thank you, baby. Okay. Swim away. Thanks for that beautiful fight. I got another piece. big. Okay. Over here. What we got here? Oh no. What we got here? Let's see. What we got here? No way. That's not a striper. That's another striper. Another striper. Yeah, this just got off. Oh man. That's my third striper right there on this spot right now. That's awesome. That's just awesome. 3 stripers. Okay. That's small. Okay. Another small striper. Look at him. Barely hook. He bites a big swim bait. Okay. Go back in the bottle. Thank you. Water is very clear today. Not that muddy like it used to be. That's a good sign. Hopefully we can catch some big fish. Already caught about 4 or 5 snipers.